morning. How y'all doing? We are on the Natchez Trace Trail in Mississippi. What a gorgeous place. We're staying in one of their free campgrounds, and it has like, I want to say 18 sites, and it is absolutely gorgeous. We are in the forest. There we are. We're in a pull-off site, and you can see through the woods there. There's a bunch of tents, but the forest, I mean, this is in March, so the trees aren't bloomed out yet. It's still cool here. Did you hear the birds? How cool is that? We love it. So we're gonna head on up the Natchez Trail to take care of some family business. But I love camping in the forest. Oh, and did I say it's free? It's free. So the forest is so dense that when I put the drone up, you won't be able to see that there are tents all out through yonder. Isn't that pretty cool? And the sites, they're not real close together. This is usually where people park to go on that trail. But for overflow, last night we got here late, so we pulled way up there so that if someone come in and wanted to take the trail early in the morning, that we weren't in the way. But the sites they're pretty nice. The one that we're parked in right now is a pull-through site. Can you imagine what it looks like in the summertime? Of course, it'll be really hot because this is Mississippi. But in the summertime, with all the trees, with the leaves, wow. Because it is a dense forest, I tell you. And last night, it was so quiet. And all of the campsites have a picnic table and a fire ring. Let me show you. This site here is really nice. And it's all paved. That's the best part. And they do have restrooms with showers. Let's see. I don't want it to be too bright for y'all, but see, there's a picnic table and a big fire ring. Very nice. Very nice. And they have the garbage cans everywhere. Look how nice that site is there. Wow. Got a pull through plus an area for tents. How awesome is that? And it's free. How amazing. It's beautiful, that's for sure. I bet it's gorgeous in the fall too. Oh my goodness gracious. But all the sites, they all look like this. How amazing. Very nice. Very nice indeed. I'm not going to take you through the whole thing, but you do have the back ends and you have the pull-offs. Two vintage campers across from each other. How cool is that? Yep, hopefully we've been in 3 days of clouds. I'm hoping that the sun shines today. We ran out of power about in the middle of the night last night. But that's okay. Hey, we dealt with it. We were sleeping. Haha. 12 volt still worked. Woohoo! That's why you have to have solar and 12 volt and a generator, because you never know what's going to happen. Never know. I mean, this is almost 9 a.m. in the morning, and all you hear is the wind. A few birds. Natchez Trace Trail, Mississippi. There are some very nice hikes out here on the trace. What history this place has. Amazing. Truly amazing. You'll see Bobby out there cleaning up, picking up trash. It's amazing what people throw out of their vehicles. You know why? You're coming out here in nature to walk and check things out. That doesn't mean you leave your stuff. Pack in, pack out, folks. Pack in, pack out. Rocky Springs, mile marker 55. Okay, is there anything you want to say about the Natchez Trail?
Well, it's a trail that was used for 10,000 years by people trading. It's pretty neat. The trail itself goes all the way from, like, up in Tennessee, all the way down to Natchez, Mississippi.
Right.
The Indians used it. Traders used it. It's just the way history of man works.
It's in the 1800s when this...
Well, the Indians were using it long before the white man came.
Oh, wow.
The Choctaw were over there. They were talking about the Choctaw. Different Indian tribes traded with one another. I thought that was pretty cool. And there's a history between all the tribes, you know. But really neat. A beautiful parkway.